When it comes to tracking sales performance in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. If you're wondering how to efficiently monitor sales progress and make data driven decisions, this guide will walk you through it quickly. Stick around, because by the end, I'll not only show you how to use TeamGate CRM, but also introduce some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. First off, TeamGate CRM is known for its clean and user friendly interface, and it's great for tracking sales performance in your pipeline. When you first log in, the dashboard gives you a snapshot of your sales activity, everything from open deals to sales trends over time. The key here is the visual layout, which helps you quickly assess where each deal stands in your sales funnel. You can see which stages are lagging and where you're losing momentum. Next thing to note is how TeamGate allows you to track individual sales rep performance. You can easily view detailed reports for each rep, see how many calls or meetings they've had, and how many deals they've closed. These reports are customizable, so you can dig into specific metrics and trends that matter most to your business. However, this functionality isn't as deep as some competitors, which might be a deal breaker if you need more advanced reporting features. The third thing you should understand is the sales forecasting tool in TeamGate. You can adjust your forecast based on historical data and ongoing sales performance. The forecasts are reasonably accurate, but depending on how detailed your sales cycles are, you might find them a bit too generalized. This can be frustrating if you're looking for hyper-specific insights, like the exact likelihood of closing a deal based on a specific set of conditions. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, integrations. TeamGate CRM integrates with a variety of tools, including email and calendar apps, which help keep everything synced. However, while it covers the basics, TeamGate doesn't offer the same depth of integrations that some other CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce provide. This can be limiting if your company relies on a variety of third-party tools for deeper data analysis. The fifth and final point is the customer support in TeamGate. It's solid. You're able to get in touch with their team via email, chat, or phone. However, many users report that response times can be slow during peak hours. Additionally, while their help center has a lot of useful resources, it's not as comprehensive as others, like Salesforce or Zoho. So, while TeamGate CRM offers a lot of great features for tracking sales performance, it's not perfect. If you're looking for something with more advanced reporting, better integrations, or faster customer support, there are other options out there. Stay tuned, because in a moment, I'll introduce you to some alternatives that might fit your goals even better. Before I go, I want to mention that you can get an exclusive and extended free trial of TeamGate CRM through our link below. But I've also found a couple of CRM options that offer better features for tracking sales performance and might be a more suitable fit for your team. Both have free trials, and by using our link, you'll get the best trial experience and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check out the links below to explore your options and get started with a CRM that best supports your sales performance tracking goals.